there, and welcome to Ride with Cadillacs. This is about an unboxing that, let's just say, I've already unboxed them because I couldn't wait. But you know what's the best thing about these sneakers? They could make me react any day of my life. So I had them packed again, just so I could unpack them with you. How great is that? First, we'll be watching a video where he talks to Nike about their collaboration. You know, this is a moment for us. I think an important moment in history like this calls for the appropriate attire. Am I correct? Am I correct? Damn right, I'm correct.
만났을 때
You gave me inspiration.
어렸을 때 되게 좋아했어요. 그래서 저한테 되게 도움이 많이 됐어요 하면 저는 되게 감사하고 되게 좋을 것 같아요.
He's just so well spoken. There's only a few celebrities that, you know, when they speak about something, you actually feel inspired and feel like you want to listen to them. Like, this is not from a biased sort of like, you know, opinion or whatever. This guy knows what the fuck he's talking about. He's been in the industry for way too long. And the fact that it's taken him this long to actually collaborate with Nike is just crazy for me. What's important is that it's right for him, but I'm not here to talk about that. I'm just here because Oppa is talking, okay? And when Oppa talks, everybody listens. Because that was too emotional for me. And everybody should be like really thankful that we have him, honestly. Do you even know who you're talking about? You don't need to be into his music. This is G to the dragon, like this is G dragon, like we're talking about G Young here, okay? We're talking about G to the motherfucking Young, G Dragon. Fuck you mean though? I get too excited. Okay, make it stop, please. Anyway, let me just dry my eyes again, yeah. Okay. Ready. What's next is what's in the motherfucking box. Let's get it. I've taken the freedom to change the laces, by the way. Your ones won't be coming like mine. Okay. I'm so happy this released everywhere in the world, like, honestly. I don't know what it says here. My guess is it says Para-noise or it says Nike in Korean. But bro, this paper is going on my wall. I'm framing this. Ah! Are we ready? Take a moment, okay, take a moment. I cried for these. This is my dream come true. Like, finally, there's something worth my money. Let's do it, let's get it. I've done what he's done with the white laces, so I laced them down. At this point, I'm just so grateful. My hands could even touch these. It's over, I'm not sleeping anymore. And if I'm sleeping, I'm wearing them to sleep. The inside is what you will find under the black of the shoe. I'm still excited to see what it's gonna look like, but I know, like, deep inside, I'm still gonna be like, oh, they're cracking, like, oh shit, like, I'm losing the black. But at the same time, it's like, oh, that's supposed to happen. So, like, I'm good with it, you know? Big dilemma. Do I remove this? Do I keep it? Like, I know with Off-White, you do remove the security tag, whatever. But, yo, he leaves them on his. Can I do too? Oh, it's just so pretty, man. Winners. See this? This is what a winner looks like. See this? Winner. See this? See this? Winner. See it? Winner. Fuck you mean though? I just think that I don't want to mix them up, and all I do is go to work. So I'm not wearing them to go to work. Fuck you mean? G-Dragon, thank you for this blessing. Thank you. Thank you. So they come with a little bag, and you get 2 flower screws to put onto the shoes, and 2 peace signs, but like G-Dragon peace signs, you know what I mean? Like, from his album, you know what I mean? Like, his peace sign. 여보세요? 오빠, 네. 진짜 좋아. 아, 어떡해. 아유.
노래를 불러보지만 내